We gather on this floor, not to mourn, but to remember the giants who paved the way. Their spirits live forever in the music. Zans, remember.
The queen of African pop, her voice echoes from the concrete streets, tearing down the charts. She taught us joy, she taught us soul. We still feel the pressure.
Weekend special, don't you love me? My baby, my baby. And the doctor of dance, the original master of the groove. His name is a legacy. The music plays on for their foundation. It's still here with me. We lost the groove master,
that party starter,
and the groove master, too soon, too young. The log drums were silenced, just as the anthems were sung. Hurry jolly, but the party must go on. Super mega, he redefined the rap game. Forever missed, he built a palace. Levels, God bless, we love you, super.
And the King Kutini, the mentor, the fashion icon, the soul that truly shone. His heart was open when he said, we never gotta say goodbye.
We watch the stars fade, but the melody remains. It's a different kind of pain, but it runs through the same veins. This feeling is deep house. This feeling is township true. From the youth to the booth, they gave everything they had. Fallen legend,
your sound is the drum in my heart.
I'm RPM, the sacred star.
We chant your names in the dust and the rain.
This is not sorrow, this is strength. This is the healing refrain.
Fallen legend, the sound is the drum in my heart.
RPM, the sacred star.
We chant your names in the dust and the rain.
This is not sorrow, this is strength. This is the healing refrain.
But on my staff, the torch bearers, the ones still holding the fire, the architects of the future, taking the sound higher. The king of piano, his sound is sealed, he keeps the tempo running. The vibe set of the future revealed.
Twilight Dumbolo,
Twilight Dumbolo.
they're Mr. Cash Time, they're Mr. Karen Cara, still running the scene. Skanda Republic, remember the name. There's Zulu man with some power, he's here to stay. They don't wanna see you win, but I'm on my grind, I won't stop. And then Mufasa, the Motuako soldier,
Never kneeling, Modimo must bless them, keep them protected, keep them succeeding. He must guide them,
Balonipe,
protect the people.